In this video series, I'm going to be going through a very simple and easy to use, quick method of driving traffic and generating sales through video marketing. Anyone can do this method. It's very easy, very simple. No matter what level you're at, you should be able to do this. And all the software or equipment we need, I'll show you where to get everything for free. So this won't have to cost you a lot of money. The great thing about video marketing is video sites are very popular and very profitable. A lot of the video sites get more traffic than some of the major search engines out there. I know YouTube is about 1 billion views per day, which is a lot. So there are multiple ways you can make money through video. You can choose to promote your own products, you can choose to promote affiliate products. There are a lot of different options. Okay, so right here I've just got an example of the kind of video that people use to generate traffic back to their website. If you look at the example here, we've got the title, and in your title you want to make sure that you've got all your keywords that you're targeting. You want to choose keywords that have a lot of search volume, and make sure you always put those right in your title up here, and always put some kind of watermark or include your URL in your actual video. In this video series we're going to be making PowerPoint videos, so that's very easy. We just need to write that on the title page and at the end. And down here we've got the description, and here's the URL. You want to put the URL right at the start so people can see it when they come to this page and they don't have to click to see more of the description to see your URL. You want it right at the start. So the main goal here is to send people from your video to a landing page or your website or blog, or better yet just a squeeze page where you can collect opt-ins. So you want to get people to either click on this link here or go to your URL that's on your video. So often you're sent to a blog or a squeeze page or somewhere where people are selling something. So we're sent to a golfing site. Here's an area we can opt in. Usually you'll be sent to something like this is the squeeze page about muscle building. So this is a great way to collect a mailing list. So in the future, instead of sending people straight to your offer or straight to your blog or website, send them first to a squeeze page so you can collect their name and email address so you can market to them in the future and follow up and sell things to them. So that's what I recommend you doing. So here's just a simple squeeze page. You can set up something like this. Video works really well, and they're giving away a free ebook, and just opt in down there. So that's what I suggest you send people to from your videos. Okay, so the main elements here to look out for is your title. So you always want to have your keywords in it, like I said before, and also if you have good keywords in your title, it will help you show up more within YouTube as well as the search engines. So because YouTube has such and other video sites have such high PR, they often show up in the Google search results on page 1. Alright, so if I go over here and type in, for example, something like muscle building nutrition, so that's my niche, and as you can see, videos show up about number 4 or 5 on here. 4. Let's click on this one. And here's an example of the kind of video that we're going to make. A PowerPoint presentation with maybe a voiceover. See if
Hello, this is Lee Haywood from Total Fitness Bodybuilding, and today I'm going to be covering a complete overview of good muscle building.
Yeah, so this is a very simple kind of video, just bullet points and a voiceover. And if we click down here, we'll see what his website looks like. It's probably selling something. Yeah, so we're sent to his blog where there's plenty of information, but I would suggest sending to a squeeze page, like I said before, or an affiliate offer if you're an affiliate marketer. So what we're going to use here is we're just going to take a PLR article and put it into a PowerPoint basically. So each of these bullet points that we're going to include in our video will be from the PLR article, and then we're just going to simply talk over and read through our PowerPoint slides and upload a video, and that's pretty much it. And if you look at this video, it's had over 40,000 views already, so that's quite a lot. And if you can imagine doing this like 4 to 5 videos per week, you can imagine how much traffic you'll get from them. So in the next videos we're going to cover smart, simple and quick ways to come up with profitable keywords for your videos, your niche and topic, and how to put everything together into a video that takes literally 5 minutes or so. We're going to cover step by step from start to finish the entire process of video marketing. Okay, so in this last video here we're just pretty much going to sum everything up and talk about where and how you can distribute your videos to get the most exposure. So just to go through the process again, the first thing you want to do is make sure you choose a profitable niche, and then go to Google AdWords and do some keyword tool and do some keyword research. Find words with a lot of search volume and use those for the titles of your videos. And then you want to go and search for free PLR articles or find other free content out there to turn into your PowerPoints for your videos. And then you want to make your PowerPoint presentations using either Microsoft PowerPoint or OpenOffice like we went through in the video beforehand. Then you want to upload your videos, and lastly you want to try and distribute your videos and maybe social bookmark them. So with this method, one video is good, you'll probably get some traffic from it, but ultimately what you want to do is have hundreds of videos out there. You want to make quick, simple, fast videos, videos that only take you about 10 to 15 minutes to create. Make about 5 of those a week and just keep churning them out. And if you use video distribution software or programs, that's another great way to speed up the process and get literally hundreds of videos out there. So the key really is to take consistent action, and that will really help you to be successful. You want to make plans and goals and set yourself a plan, say 5 videos a week you want to make and distribute. It should only take you about 15 minutes, like I said, to really create the videos. So a great way to get further exposure and traffic is by social bookmarking your videos. So a great place to do this is Social Marker. This is an automatic bookmarking service, so socialmarker.com. And if you scroll down here, you can see that all the different social bookmarking sites you can submit your videos and content to. You can select which type of sites you want. I'm just going to select best, so pick the best, and up here you just want to put in your title, so muscle building nutrition, and your link, etc. So put your link in there, and then you can just pretty much use a similar description or the same description that you used when you uploaded your videos to YouTube or whatever, and your tags will just be your keywords. And so just click submit, and a window will open up where you can automatically submit your content. Social bookmarking is a really great way to help get backlinks to your video, which will in turn help your video show up higher on the search engines for your particular keywords. So this is a really useful tool. So the other thing we're going to cover is where to distribute your videos and how. There are dozens of video sites out there that you can upload your videos to that can help drive you traffic. So if we just go back to Google and do a search for video sharing sites. Here we could probably find a list of social of video sharing sites that you can submit your videos to. Here are quite a few. So as you can see, there are quite a lot. So there's plenty of ways to get more exposure to your videos. One great way to cut down the time for uploading your videos to all these places is to use a service such as TubeMogul or Traffic Geyser. So since this video series is focusing on free video marketing methods, we're just going to go and check out TubeMogul, because this is free. Traffic Geyser is quite expensive. It's probably about, I think it's about $100, but it's really is well worth it. I think Traffic Geyser's social bookmarks your videos for you automatically as well, and it can also turn your videos into podcasts, which is really handy, and then submits it to podcast directories. So that can really help with your SEO. You can get thousands of your videos out there with just a few clicks. So it is a really useful tool, but we're just going to use TubeMogul for now since it's free. TubeMogul is really good too. So this is TubeMogul. It's completely free. There's free sign up. I think it submits your videos to about 5 different video sharing sites if you're on the free version. I think it varies whether you pay for upgrades, etc. But it's pretty simple to use. Just upload your videos and after you create your account. So it's a really useful way to cut down on time, because submitting your video to each video site individually can take a really long time. So just to sum it up, a good plan will probably be to try and distribute your videos at least 5 different video sites using TubeMogul, and try to social bookmark every one of those videos using Social Marker or another automated social bookmarking program. And you want to create about 5 videos per website you want to advertise. So say you have like three websites and you want to drive traffic to all 3 of those. You want to make about 5 videos per week that promote those 3 websites. So just remember, in the end, consistency is key. Doing it every single week, and you can even look into outsourcing it.